What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. Summer here. So guys, in today's epic drawing tutorial, we're going to be drawing Madara Uchiha with a full Susanoo. Alright, most of you guys have requested this, so here is it, the full tutorial. Alright, so as usual, here are the guidelines if you need the guidelines. Alright, for this epic sketch, here are the guidelines. Then after the sketch, alright, we'll move on to coloring the drawing. So guys, as usual, if you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe. Comment down below what you think about the video, comment your thoughts, and let me leave you guys to the video. Hope you enjoy. Peace out, and I'll see you guys in the next epic drawing tutorial.
Catch me if I fall. I'm falling fast, sitting here praying that this night's gonna last. You got it all on tap, I'm loving your vibe, always have your back. We like all the same tracks, listen all night in the sheets all black. Said I'm falling fast, don't remember life before you, that's fact. I feel good, you look great, I like you, I can't wait. A first time, a first date, you're so fine, I'm so late. You sip wine, I drink straight, don't waste time to my place. I feel my heart erase, so catch me if I fall. just happened. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. My neighbors compete to see who can put up more blinding lights. The kids all wish away the month 'cause they want presents in sight. This year had me so mad. I've been bad, got coal that is sitting under my tree. I think that my Christmas has died. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. This is not a Christmas. This is not a Christmas song. When I was just a boy, Christmas brought so much joy. Couldn't wait for the presents and laughter. I couldn't sleep late at night, looking for Santa with lights. Those are the memories I still remember. Then I became a man,